Hey guys, welcome to CodeCrack. So today we are going to learn about prototyping, and for that, first I will do is I'll just make two new frames. So I'll choose an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'll then duplicate the screen, and then I will change the name of the screens to Prototype 1 and Prototype 2. Okay, so to make you understand easily about the prototyping, so I'll just give it a background fill. In similar manner, I will give it a background fill too, and I'll just use a text block like this. And to fill it with the content, I use a plugin named Lorem Ipsum. It's a really good plugin, and I just click on auto generate. It fills, and now I'll just align them vertically and horizontally in the center to its frame. And what I will do is to show you a little bit different. I'll just increase size, and now you can also adjust this container size by going to the text option and clicking on auto height. So now what I want to do is let's imagine that our main target is when we click or tap on this screen through the mobile, or click if you're using a laptop, then this screen should change to this screen. Okay, so for that, the first thing you need to do is you have to go to the prototype panel, and then you have to select one of your frame from which you want to do prototype, and then just click on this like dot, and drag this arrow, and it will automatically stick to this second screen. Now you see there are many options. It shows you can trigger your whatever interaction you want on tap, on drag, while hovering, while pressing. There are many options, but for now we will be using on tap. So as soon as click on tap, that's fixed, and now there are many things that we can do. So, but for now we will just be navigating to this screen, and yeah, you have to select a screen name, which is prototype 2. Currently, it's showing only one available option because we have only one other screen other than that from where we are doing prototyping on. Okay, so we will keep animation instant. We will keep it really simple, and now close it, and then I'll see the settings. Looks fine. Now to see our prototype, how it will actually look, we have to click on display icon. As soon as I click on display icon, a new screen will appear and will show us our prototype. So now, as per our animation, we had to just tap on it, and this will screen to the change into the second screen. So you see, I tapped into it, I tapped onto it, or I clicked on it, actually on my laptop. So this changed into this screen. So I will show you again. I'm not tapping onto it or clicking on this screen, and the screen changes. So that's how our basic prototyping works. So in the next video, we will be going to what is on drag, what is while hovering, what is while pressing, and all those kind of cool stuff. So uh, let's see our next video. Thank you.